What is up, guys? This will be kind of part one. I'm going on a photo shoot tomorrow with a guy from Instagram. When I meet him, I'll throw his Instagram up here. Car is completely filthy. So I'm gonna, right now it's way too hot. It's like 70 degrees in Cali, which finally we're done with the rainy weather. I'm gonna vacuum out the inside because a lot of you have been telling me my inside is completely filthy. So we'll go ahead, vacuum that out, vacuum out everything, clean it up in here. I got some unnecessary stuff in the back like the drone, take that out, and then I'll wash the car, fill it up on E85, and yeah, we'll call it a day. But right now I'm just telling you guys what's up, what to get ready for. Like I said, or probably way too bright right now. Like I said, vacuum the car out, wash it, fill it up with E85, and then when we meet this guy, I will do an edit and stuff like that. But let's get started. Trying my very best so you don't get glare, but I'm doing some track prep and I'm setting my EGT worn to 1728. You can do 1800, 1656, but I think 1728 will be good. 1656 could be a good option too, but I'm gonna do 1728. This is basically a fail-safe. If that goes off, that means you need to stop, pit in immediately, and make sure your car is running well. It's a cylinder 4 bung temperature. It's basically it's your last fail-safe. Looking back, I wish I got other AAM gauges that did have the alert, but what I'm definitely going to be watching like a hawk this time is oil pressure. I was always looking at oil temp, never really looking at oil pressure. So now with the EGT being warning, I don't really have to look at that. Oil temp, that's definitely a big thing. Coolant, that's a big thing. Oil pressure, that's the main reason my car failed at Thunderhill, was oil pressure. So I will for sure be watching this guy right there. Inside of the car is all clean. In and out socks, but I prefer 5 guys. I did get my 5th point installed, so I can have that. I'm not really a big fan of 5 points because it crushes your nuts. We are back. Let's get to washing this car. All clean. You all are probably gonna hate me. I haven't cleaned this car, I want to say, in like 2 months, so it was absolutely filthy. But now it's all clean. My mom, she wanted her car clean too, so I'll clean her car because I store my car here. To go meet up with QMac, shooting around San Jose Airport. We're trying to aim for the sunset, so that should be cool. Yeah, I haven't done a photo shoot in a really long time. I've been very stale with photos lately. I have nothing for the Instagram feed, so let's head on out there. Should be a pretty mellow drive for the most part, fingers crossed. Alright, he canceled on me due to a huge car crash going northbound that would push him back like an hour, so I'm gonna film a little here. I'm at a different spot, and then I'll tell you guys some news. Yeah, stay tuned. Okay, whew. Getting over a sore throat / cold. The news is I got some new parts coming in. Some parts already here, prepping for the track day once again. Since the front mount intercooler covers my OEM tow hook, I have to use a tow strap. So I'm probably going to buy a Race Tech tow strap, and we'll probably mount it to my crash beam and cut a hole in my bumper and shoot it through. I bought Rodell's old track pads. I was running the XP8s, which, oh my god, not again. I was running the XP8s, which were a good pad, but when they got very hot, I could tell they were fading. Maybe it didn't help that the day was like 108 outside, but I upgraded to the G-Lock pads. I'm not sure the exact model, but these ones are more significantly better than my XP8s, so I'm excited to test those out. Hopefully I don't need new rotors. I'll check out my rotors, but I have been getting severe like shakiness under very hard braking. I don't know if the rotors are a little warped or something, but we'll send it and figure it out. Yeah, hopefully you guys are ready for some more content. The weeks are pretty busy for me to film, so weekends I try to catch up and film more for you guys. But till then, hopefully you guys like this video. So leave a like, do your thing, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Also, if you guys see me out in public, this paramedic guy, thanks for your service. He rolled down his window and said, "I watch your videos," and that was pretty sick. I was rolling around with Steven in his flared FXT, so that was pretty sick that he rolled down his window and said what's up. So if you guys ever see me, say what's up. And yeah, if I'm in my car, and like I said, if you guys want to ride, hit me up. Yeah, I appreciate all you guys that like and comment on the videos, show your support and stuff like that. But I'll catch you guys in the next one. Take care.